In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Attack Shark X11 mouse via Bluetooth. Basically, there's three ways to connect your Attack Shark mouse or any other Bluetooth mouse out there. We have the 2.4 gigahertz connection, we have Bluetooth, and finally we have the wired connection. Now, to simply connect it to your Bluetooth, you want to make sure that you have to plug the USB dongle or the Bluetooth dongle onto your computer, which will simply look something like this. You want to make sure that you plug it onto one of your USB ports. Now, ideally, you want to plug this onto the blue USB ports, which will simply look something like this. Basically, with the blue colored ports, this will support the highest possible connection. And at the back of your mouse, we have different modes right here. We have the off mode, we have the 2.4 gigahertz mode, and we have the Bluetooth mode. Just make sure that you have twisted the knob onto this place right here, and the Bluetooth mode will then enable. Now, inside your computer, just simply search for Bluetooth, click on the Bluetooth and other devices, click on the add Bluetooth or other device, and then you will be able to connect with your Attack Shark X11 mouse. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.